The anatomy and physiology of the third eye chakra, Ajna chakra, are associated with the posturing and the functioning of the organs in skull, in structure as well as in action. The first effect goes on the structure of the eyeballs and the working of eyes as far as eyesight is concerned. There are two ways in which the eyeballs distort their structure and spoil their function, that is, the eyesight. The first way turns the eyeballs elongated, which is what the cause of myopia, that is, the nearsightedness is. It is a direct consequence of dropping the upper jaw down as its habitual posture, covering the lower jaw with its denture from above. But why does the upper jaw do so? The answer to this question takes us to one of the mind-body connections. Keeping the eyebrows frowned or squeezed, whether out of anger or out of anxiety, does it so? The mind affecting the body. And if mind can affect the body can affect the mind too. It's rightly said that the eyes are the windows to the mind. The second way turns the eyeballs flattened as opposed to elongated, which is what the basic cause of hyperopia, that is, the farsightedness, as well as the presbyopia, that is, the old age sight afflicting almost every single person, the one not having myopia, on earth is. It is a direct consequence of dropping the lower jaw further down along with pulling it backward, thus placing it under the upper jaw, which is already dropped down through being pulled down along with the lower jaw. It's a very complex distortion. What brings it to effect? Again, the answer to this question takes us to another of the mind-body connections. Greed, as an antithesis to fear, does it to us, though the two, the thesis and the antithesis, are in fact the two sides of the same coin. The eyebrows get pulled down from their sides at their outer extremities. And again, if mind can affect the body can affect the mind too. If eyes are the windows to the mind is the windows to the functioning of eyes as well. We will go into it step further when we discuss the anatomy and physiology of the crown chakra, which will complete the effects that the third eye chakra, Ajna chakra, has initiated in our eyes and our mind. You can ask me any question by filling the form on http://www.7chakras.org/Ajna. If you need asking anything regarding the anatomy and physiology of the third eye chakra, Ajna chakra.